for me, it is like I got into a very bad health, degradation in my life, and after that I picked up cycling. So it's around 2 years now that I have been cycling. Instead of hitting the gym, I started cycling, and actually right now I'm the co-organizer of Bangalore Cyclist Group, which is now the most active internet group in Bangalore and active cycle riding group in Bangalore.
I started cycling an year back. Not an year, exactly 13 months back. Then once I started cycling, it changed my life, I can say, because of the fitness. I was 104 kgs at the time when I started cycling. Now I came down to 88 or 89. So it entirely changed my life.
Now it is picking up because people are finding traffic is very heavy. So if you go by a bike then or a car, I mean motorbike or a car, then it will take around 1 hour to reach your office. But if you take up cycling, then you can commute to office within around 20 to 25 minutes.
While coming to Bangalore, I'm not a localite of Bangalore. I'm from Andhra, so I don't have any friends in Bangalore. So cycling made me very good number of friends.
It's all about doing something new and experiencing the city at night after dark. We're on our 73rd ride. We've got a lot of riders here, as you can see next to me. We do it every Thursday night from 10 p.m. to midnight.
I started cycling in April, and since then I've just been cycling with these guys. I just thought I'd start out with 5 kilometers or something. My initial plan was just to go to office and come back. But then I met these guys, and since then I've just kept going on and on. So it's been a great journey.
I've been in Bangalore for about 10 years now, and I took up cycling again about 5 years ago, and I've just got right back in it. Great bunch of guys to cycle with, and I just love getting out on the streets, and especially when it's raining.
He went for cycling. I found myself very alone. So I thought at least I should spend some time. I mean, I can also be in cycling, and that also added a health, very good benefit to me. So now I am loving it.
I work in Bums in the Saddle as a mech. I fixed most of the bikes. So I was the customer at Bots, and I just wanted to find a club or a group of riders who are the same, like a bit crazy and want to ride really fast. So I found these guys, went for one of their night rides. It was intense.
Bangalore, particularly if I talk about Bangalore, has become the premium market, capital city of the cycling, and we are growing at the rate of almost 17.5% growth rate, with a turnover of almost 200 crores.
So we are actually a 2.5-year-old company, and about 6 months ago is when we launched Cycles. And the reason we launched Cycles was because, for one, we actually wanted to cater to the entire segment of outdoor, and that has sort of helped in increasing revenue for us. And all I can tell you at this point in time is that we've actually managed to almost double our revenue after adding Cycles.
Well, we started like some 10 months back after we got inspired seeing the same concept abroad in Europe. And we felt that this could be very effectively used in Bangalore, given that the weather here is excellent and we have a culture of cycling around. We deployed our messengers across the city. We got a lot of orders that have been coming in even till now, that who want to get things delivered in a very short span of time. And so far we've worked with some very big MNCs to some very small startups, new entrepreneurs, and it looks like the concept is here to grow.
I'm here for a cause. Basically what we can do, our small bit, what we can do to the environment by cycling. And it is not only to the environment, it is also to yourself, how much you can do. You can have fun cycling and you can give back a lot to yourself, your inner self.
So now in every office, the moment you have 2 cyclists, you have another 10 who slowly start cycling. Also, cyclists have a very strong affinity towards cycling. So once I start cycling, there's a tendency that I would also start encouraging people around me to start cycling, right? So that's another reason why cycling is growing in Bangalore.
we are here today for cycling because it's a complete fitness time, family time, and it's a time we can all be together without any distraction. So it's an absolute fun time for everybody.
I started cycling because I wanted to do my bit towards the environment and the society. A fit and healthy body is best fashion statement after all. So go cycling, Bangalore.